So I don't know kung saan ako papunta, kung ano yung mga projects na susunod. So right now, I'm just taking everything that comes and I'm taking everything step by step. So ayun, I feel like everybody naman in the industry leaves their own mark in a different way. Hindi yung the next ganito, the next ganyan. I feel like everybody's different in their own way. They leave their own mark, their own signature in their own way.
Tapos syempre bilang kasama mo naman si Anne sa Showtime,
Yes.
tapos nakasama niya si Derek, di ba? Hindi ka ba nanghingi ng advice kay Anne na parang paano ka work si Derek? Ano yung mga sa mga love scenes, ganyan?
Hindi ako nakakapasok sa Showtime.
Wala ka kahapon.
Wala na ko everyday.
Hindi mo siya tinext, tinawagan yun.
No, actually, alam mo kung sino nakausap ko a long time ago when I first got the movie was Angel. Angel of Scenes. Kasi, di ba minsan, nasa Showtime siya, tapos she approached me because she saw me reading the script. Ganun siya kabait. Siya talaga yung nag-approach sa akin. Tapos sabi niya, ano yan? Tapos nagpakwento siya kung ano yung plot and everything. Tapos siya na yung nagbigay ng advice sa akin. Kusa. Kumbaga, hindi ko hiningi. Kusa na yung binigay sa akin.
Thank you. Meron pa tayong next question, madam.
Okay, for Colleen, physically, si Darren, alam na yung tanong ko before about characterization normally. In your case, how much of the emotional investment did you have to push through yourself for this movie?
Ayan, I really had to focus on the character. Kasi in real life, bato ako eh. Like, you know, I've had to be strong for so many times. So, I've had to be strong for so many times. So, ako in real life, hindi ako yung tipong umiiyak sa harap ng tao. Hindi ako yung tipong nagsasabi ng feelings ko. I'm not the type to break down in front of everybody because I've taught myself to be strong in spite of everything. So, that's something that was hard for me because, you know, I have a big wall. And nobody gets through that wall. So, it's hard because I had to break down those walls for this specific project. Because syempre, I had to be vulnerable. So, I had to trigger that vulnerability. So, hindi na work sa akin kasi yung nagpo-focus ako sa sarili kong problema. Because I automatically block that out. So, iniisip ko na lang yung mga instances kung if I put myself in the situation and if I'm this kind of person. Kasi if I really focus on the person I actually am, I feel like it's not gonna work. So I really have to focus on the character itself.
Okay, if Derek said he was not very happy about the dancing scene, in your case naman, was there any scene na medyo na-challenge ka or medyo parang, this is not exactly a good idea?
Kumain ng ice cream.
Hindi, nothing naman na yung it's a bad idea. Pero, yeah, I was challenged in a lot of the scenes, and I feel like, you know, all of the scenes that we did were necessary to the film. I feel like they will all help the film. So, ayun, kasi my character has so many stages in her life. You know, there was a time that she was so vulnerable, and then there was a time na parang ako, naging bato din siya. So, maraming mga stages na yun, and I feel like everything we did was very necessary to the entire outcome of the film. Thank you.
Okay na? Thank you so much. Ayan, ayun yung last question natin. Again, Direk Chris, message mo natin last words sa lahat ng mga vloggers na nandito ngayon.
Thank you so much sa pagpunta po sa ang layo-layo natin.
Yes!
Pero sobrang we really appreciate you waking up early, coming here to join us. So we hope you support our movie X with Benefits. Ako personally, ang dami ko na nagawang pelikula sa Star, but I can categorically say that this is one of the best films na napanood ko lang sa Star.
Wow! Direk
Statement po yun.
Maraming salamat po sa pagpunta niyo dito.
Bakit ka naiiyak din?
Iyak ako kay Chris. Iyak ako sa inyo. This is my first feature film with Star Cinema. I'm very excited to show you guys what we've been doing for the past few months, and I hope you guys have fun with the film and fall in love September 2 na po. And yeah, thank you for coming, guys.
Colleen Garcia, ito na yung launching ni Colleen. Oh! Diba?
Ayan, thank you so much again for coming all the way here. Alam kong sobrang traffic, pero you guys still came here at this time. And I just really hope that you give the film a chance. In spite of all the controversies, everything that people are saying, I pray that you give it a chance because it's really something that, you know, that people could learn from. It's something that people could, you know, draw their emotions from. It's something that could make you feel. So I really hope that you guys